everybody. As you can tell, we need a new window regulator. We have a new window regulator, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change this to something much quieter. Stay tuned. Alright, we've got our tools, some sorted sockets, a trim removal piece for here and for the pins on the door, screwdriver for this right here and for prying this trim piece off. That we can get it with our hands. This we might need help with for speakers. And our 2mm deep well, got a short well as well. Short well as well, that's very funny. And so really we got a regulator up there. And in some cases, it depends on the application. Some cases you may need to tape the window. I was working on the truck door a few weeks ago, same basic style door, and I didn't have any issues keeping the window up. So we're going to try that here. You'll have your LED to remove there. You'll have this pin to remove, this to remove, switches to unclip. There's a bolt right there, and then there's a screw right under here to keep everything together. Then you got those two little L brackets, like one up here, one over here, that will hold it on there. So yeah, let's get to it. Two trim tabs here. There we go. That one's kind of broke. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately these broke off here, so there's actually nothing holding that on. So, alright, there's that. That tab here, tab there. There's the tabs for all that. Alright, now the only way this is going to slow down, I didn't get the right size. Now I need an extension. Alright, recommend an extension for that, it'll make it easier. One down here. And this size is a 9/32. Alright, there's all that. I think that's all that. There. Make everything good. Got that one. Oh, sorry. There's one more right in here. There you go. This dude right there. I didn't have that on the truck because it's broken. There you go. Oh, and it's easier to remove this first. Two tabs there. Alright. Oh, look at that. Remember you got your there's a little tweeter cable connection over here. Gotta get that one. And then you got your 194 bulb. Well, hey, it just came right out. Well, that works good. Okay. Got that below. There's that. We'll have to pull this off. I should have brought some tri-flow with me to loop stuff up over here. You might make a break for that and go get it. But here's what you want to see. Oh, it switched sizes on me. A little bit different size on here. These are 10mm. They switched the size up here. I don't get that. Oh well. There's a 10mm, 10mm here. If I'm correct, I believe all those have to come out. There's one down here as well. Just in the camera. Sorry, bear. Alright. See, make sure we got a battery life left. So, now notice these are the tabs for the windows themselves, right there. So, Windows stable. There's another one right there. So, those are what are actually clamped down to the window. So, we'll have to grab those. I've got to get them in a socket that appears, and it looks like a, I'm going to say it's a 5/16. Not totally sure on that. We'll need to loosen those up. This one's okay. That one's actually okay. This one needs to come out. There's one over here that needs to come out. This is actually holding the regulator in, and then one on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we're back. So for these nuts right here, there we go. Right here and over on this side, for the little clamps that hold the window onto the regulator, is an 8mm or 5/16. So we're going to go ahead and loosen these a little bit. Yeah, there's a little rubber grommet there. Try to be gentle on that. You don't have to pull them all the way out. Well, I actually will, because I think we need those for the other regulator. But anyways, so just be cautious of your window. It may fall, it may not. If it does fall, then we'll do something about that. Is this held on? Yes. So I think this one comes out. This one actually might too. So maybe 6 altogether that have to come out. One down here below. And there. Okay, we're going to grab this one. So there's probably 6 altogether that have to come out. Yeah. I think that was one. Real fun. Alright. You got all those. Now you got a lot of room here. Yeah. Go ahead and feed this through. Pull that up. And it's in an X pattern, as you can see. So it's loose down here. That one needs to come out. Okay. So yeah, all these need to come out. Just fix them all together. So I'll grab it out. There's little tabs that you can pry up on. There's one there. This one doesn't have one. There's like a little... Nope, no tab there. Okay. And a tab here. Tab on this one. And no tab at the bottom. So what we'll do, see if we can capture this. There's a cable here. So we'll lift up. There. And the power to the motor, so better undo that. And so lift up here. Alright. Kind of angle this down. Glass is still stable. Angle this one down. Woo! Power motor is hot. And the bracket. Okay, that one actually didn't need to come out, so we'll have to line that back up. But that's where the window rides up here. So that one didn't need to come out. Aha! There's one more right there. So there's 7 10mm bolts altogether. And knowing that will help it go faster. And that one was loose already, so that kind of makes me wonder if maybe that was part of that. Ah! There goes the window. Alright, so now we need to pause. And I've got a little block of wood that fits good right here, and which holds the window. So let me go grab that block of wood for the blockhead, and we'll get back. Alright, we'll set the camera there for a minute. Go ahead and grab this window here. And gently push it back up. And then put this block of wood right there. Thankfully that's a good size. It can't go anywhere. And it's a little bit more stable than taping the window there. Alright, so now we got that. Now I'll let you watch. You kind of cross it back and forth and pull it out that way. So, here's one leg of it. Motor side might want to come out first. Let's see. Something. This one kind of looks like it's been replaced before, but you know, they don't last that long. There you go. And there you go. Alright, so there it is. Pretty nifty, huh? These pieces we may reuse, we may not. We're missing something. Yeah, we're missing something. Alright, let's see if we can find it. Alright, here's one of the parts. Okay. So this will go on either side, just kind of clips in. Well, I explained to you and we can show you. Here we go. So here's the one. See how it's kind of got a bow to it? Kind of fits the angle of the door. Anyways, this has got a tab right here. It'll slide on so, and then clamps up on the window. You screw it together here with the 8mm and voila, it's stuck together. So yeah, in theory that works really good. And there's supposed to be another one. That's the phone. Okay. Well, I'm not seeing the other one at the moment. Hopefully we find it. Alright, now we'll look at our box of new parts here. There we go. Well, and we really don't need to worry about it because thankfully this comes with the new brackets, and it looks like a we get a 10mm. So there's a new one, essentially the same. Of course, I don't have a cutter, no pocket knife. So yeah, this should be nice. We'll stick it in here and see if that sound goes away. All right, so yeah, we need to stick it like so. We'll stick one side in first. Kind of make it drop it in there. Support this one. Okay. Alright, there's that. Plastic's kind of a pain to deal with, but it does serve a purpose, so just deal with it. Okay, run that one up. Run this one in. Okay. Move it over to its side here. Then we can start standing it up. Alright. So we can angle this one up where it's supposed to be. They're both, nothing is tangled at the moment. So we'll find out where the tab is for this. Alright. Tab for that one. Can't find the tab on this one. There it is. There's the tab. So gotta wait a minute on that. Let's see here. There's another tab. Now, we'll go ahead and set some screws here to give us some structure. 10mm there. 10mm down here. Got 10mm here by the right over down that side. There he is. Don't forget that one. That one supports the motor. Block of wood in the way on this side. There we go. That's almost good. Almost. Alright. So there's that. No. Okay, apparently there's no bracket over here. Get away with that one. We can set that bolt down here. Paper rag. So now we need to give it a little bit of power so that we can run our little window tracks up. And so we gotta put the switch back on. Now this is only $25, so oh, it sounds so much better. Uh-oh. Here, ran into that wood on that side. I'm going to hold my fingers on the window here. Pull this up. Alright. Now, it will kind of be handy just to have an extra hand. Now, here we go. We'll pull this tab up there. Alright, so we're back again. SD card filled up here on my phone. Not enough preparation, I guess, here. So, anyways, we're going to run up the window a little bit. You can see right there that we need to loosen that one so the window rests right on top and then centers. We've got this one basically set, but we'll do a little handiwork here and see if we can get that where it's supposed to be. So we got that lined up. We'll go ahead and get this one lined up here. We'll go ahead and roll it up, and then we can tighten those down and then tighten down all the rest of these bolts here, and should go smooth from there. Oh, it sounds so much better. Here we go. Alright, so what I would recommend first is going around hitting all these. Two. There. Alright, got that one. Alright, here. And we'll tighten it up and then tighten the window and just roll it up and down a couple times. Make sure that everything seems to be working. And just, run it up and down a couple times. See if there's any wonkiness to it here. Now, obviously, putting it all back together, I don't know what's wrong with the other regulator. I'll probably just keep it for parts, or at least the motor sounds like it was good. So your plug for your motor here is a little bit different, so we can just kind of tuck it in that way. We'll go ahead and put our plastic sheeting back kind of where it needs to be. Unplug that first. We can turn the car off now. I think the only things we got to hook up on the panel are, let's see, the speaker. I think that's about it, really. And remember, your edge will kind of go up and over. I would still set these little ones here, and then run your light. Good little access right here. All right. Kind of grab your speaker, your tweeter wire, and your so there's that. Press it in. Wait for a couple snaps. There's one. Another one. Okay. All right. So our door is set there. We just got to wrap it up with the. So there's that. We've got our little trim here. It's nice and solid. We'll wrap it around. Oh no. Wrap it around that way. Yeah. This is kind of a fun one. It's like there's a little tab to get on first there in the front. Then. All right, as you can see, darkness has come upon us. Supper has been eaten. Yummy. That snaps back in. Well, it's supposed to. I'm gonna snap that one. Get in! Yeah, you! Get in! What we gotta do? Alright, so we need our one little bolt here. Alright, we gotta get this one out. Wrong size. Short one goes on the bottom. Too long, 9/30 seconds. Go here and here. Don't forget, like I did. Now we can put this little guy where he's supposed to be. Alright. There's that. Let's see. We can put our switch in. And then snap it in place. Alright, so put your tabs there, lock it in place. You're going to set your clips before you put them in. Alright, so one more thing. We'll go ahead and slide our LED bulb in here, and Well, we're going to try to. Now that, it'll just snap right in and whoop. There you go. So pretty easy. Snap that back in. Set your pins. Good to go. Cool. Yes. Well, thank you all so much for watching this video that was longer than it should have been, shorter, and it didn't go as planned. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you. It doesn't take much to put these in. This regulator was about $25 off of eBay, so easy to do. So anyways, easy job to do. Try it yourself if you have a problem. Goodbye. See you later.